In this video, I am doing a Easter tablescape. So if you're interested in seeing how it looks, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, I'm Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and you're in the right place if you want to make decorating a bit easier on the budget. And on my website, creativelyMissMe.com, I have created forms to make planning easier for home organization and content creators. And while you're here, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my content. Now on with the video. Today I am participating in an open invitation collaboration. Now this collaboration is entitled The Spring and Easter Tablescape Sunday 2020. And it's hosted by a wonderful group of ladies calling themselves the Diva Destiny. And the host of this challenge is Cynthia of She's So Blessed. And the co-hosts are Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle, and Geraldine from Diva Decorating. Now, if you're not familiar with any of these ladies' channels, I will have a link to their channels along with the playlist in the description box when it becomes available. Now, they have simple rules. What they asked is that you use pastel colors and that you use the hashtag that I'm going to run across the screen, hashtag Spring and Easter Tablescape Sunday 2020. And they ask that you be a subscriber to each one of their channels, that you mention their channels in the video, and you include the link to their channels along with the playlist in your description box. And they ask that you have some spring and Easter fun. So if you're interested in seeing what I came up with for this challenge, you know what to do. Stick around. each table setting is the same. So I'm going to show you and tell you where each item was purchased. Now the leaf placemat, that was a Pier 1 purchase last year. The mint green charger is a DIY. It's a Dollar Tree charger that was silver that I painted mint. And the yellow pastel plate was a thrift find. And then this green beautiful plate here, that was a thrift find as well. It is paired with a mint napkin that came from eBay, and then the white leaf napkin ring was a thrift find, and then the crystal glass, that was a thrift find as well. Now we're gonna go and do the centerpiece. Now here I have Mama Rabbit here. She was a thrift find. I have paired her with three flower pots. One is full of eggs, and it has the ribbon tied around to match the rest of my home decor. The next has a little bunny in it sitting on a Target Dollar Spot, a little cake plate, and the other one is painted white with a goldish green egg inside. And the salt and pepper shakers were thrifted as well. So nothing on this tablescape you see here is purchased brand new. It is everything I've already had in my stash. So I hope I use my pastel colors in the correct way to give this Easter tablescape a wonderful look. And this is Stephanie from Creatively Miss Me saying, thank you for watching, and you be blessed.